In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Canva. Whether you're creating stunning invitations, vibrant posters, or sleek business cards, getting your designs from the digital canvas to physical print is a breeze with Canva's intuitive interface. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, make sure you've completed your design on the Canva editing page. Take a moment to review your work, ensuring everything looks just the way you want it. This is the last chance to make any tweaks or adjustments before sending it to print, so pay close attention to details like colors, text alignment, and overall layout. Once you're satisfied with your design, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and locate the Share button. This is your gateway to exporting and printing your masterpiece. Click on it and you'll see a menu pop up with various options for sharing and downloading your design. Next, you want to click on the See All link. This will expand your options and allow you to explore all the different ways you can use, share, or export your design. Scrolling through this list can be quite enlightening as Canva offers a plethora of features that cater to both digital and physical outputs. Now look for the option labeled Use My Printer. This is the feature that will enable you to print your design directly from Canva. Click on it and be patient as it may take a moment to load, depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your design. This option is particularly useful if you're connected to a printer at home or work and want to print your design immediately. After clicking Use My Printer, you'll need to click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures your design is prepared correctly for printing and any changes you made are locked in. Saving also allows you to retain a copy of the final version, which can be handy for future reference or reprinting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily take your Canva designs from screen to paper. Printing directly from Canva is a straightforward process that can save you time and effort, especially when you're eager to see your creative visions come to life in a tangible form. Remember, if you're using a professional printer or service, you may need to download your design in a specific format, such as PDF, which you can also do from the Share menu. This ensures the highest quality output for your prints. Thank you for watching and happy printing. Don't forget to explore Canva's other features to enhance your designs and make the most out of this versatile platform.